Still good morning. So good morning, all of you. My name is Claude Hoover, and I'm in charge of innovation and digital solutions in customer services at Airbus Commercial. Very pleased to be here on stage and to have the opportunity to give you a short introduction on the Airbus digital world, on the Airbus digital journey. So let's, in Airbus, we are convinced that digitalization and all the AI capabilities represent yet a tremendous lever, enabler to transform, to enhance businesses, engineering, operations, services internally, but also when we work together with our airline customers across the different operational domains, flight ops, take ops, and ground ops. In Airbus, we've been embedding artificial intelligence into our digital solutions for more than 3 decades. Our first application was using image recognition technologies for Earth observation, and that was developed back in the 90s. Then we moved to predictive analytics with technologies called natural language processing and machine learning to better forecast potential component failures and also to turn on-schedule maintenance into scheduled maintenance. And we have been very successful with one of our products, Skywise Fleet Performance, where we've seen on 320 30% reduction in operational interruptions thanks to strong predictive maintenance. We've also used those 2 technologies in the aftermarket material to optimize inventory, more accurately forecasting our parts for the aftermarket. And then in the area of research and technology and demonstrator, we used image recognition and also the technology around computer vision for autonomous taxiing, takeoff and landing, and we continue on this journey. Our road to AI-powered services has been quite dynamic over the last 20 years. Back in the 90s, we were talking about standalone digital solutions. 10 years later, we moved to cloud-based SaaS product, software as a service. In 2017, we implemented very robust, strong data governance. It's a dedicated organization in my team, in my department, focused on data compliance, data security, data quality, and data protection as well. We have some obligation with our customers. So this is really the backbone, the pillar for digital and for deploying artificial intelligence. In 2018, we deployed our Skywise Core platform for our customers, for our airlines. It's about data collection, data sharing, data analytics, and also integrating our digital solutions. You have here a couple of figures around Skywise. It's really a great asset for collaboration among the aviation industry. We're also deploying it with our MRO centers. 56% of our aircraft are now connected on Skywise. 1 employee out of 3 in Airbus uses Skywise every day. More than 92 million flights are recorded since 2018, since we introduced it. So there's really a lot of data which we can use to also in the sense of artificial intelligence. Then we started to look at generative AI in 2024 with some first use cases around in the operation and also in services for AOG, technical support, and fast AOG resolutions, preparing technical dossiers to reply faster back to our customers who are in AOG situations. And finally, last year, we started to investigate more and more in AI agents. So those are operating systems, very autonomous, they execute, they are also making decisions. We try to see how we can connect different agents together, and with proper, strong data products, trustable data products, combined with AI agent, it will really revolutionize the way we look at software development and digital solution development. Today, we have roughly 600 use cases on AI in Airbus. Defining a way of working in the aerospace also applies for artificial intelligence. Here we talk about AI explainability. It needs to bring clear decision process. We cannot afford, we cannot accept the approach of a black box with unclear decisions. So there is also a lot of effort in this direction. We want to, in the aviation industry, to manage this topic together with the regulation authorities. Just a few words about generative AI. It's not perfect, it's not infallible, it's not recommended for critical decision making, and it's not capable of understanding what it's saying. Generative AI is an assistant to a decision helper. It's pre-trained on a large set of data, and it also relies on statistical models to generate content. So let's talk about the cargo operation environment. And over the last 3 days, we've talked a lot about the complexity of this ecosystem with many interdependent stakeholders, actors, combining the platform management with data management with all the AI capabilities will really bring a lot of transformation levers in the overall value chain. And this is really where digital can help. It also can generate more interoperability between the different actors. And we talk about that platform management, Skywise, we have one record. Is there an API to set up? There are a lot of things, a lot of possibilities to look at. And also, short reminder, when we talk about transformation, it's not all about digital, it's not all about data. It's also about transformation of business operations, business processes, and also about change management of the employees and of the management. And so really it starts with the business process. So last word on the aircraft itself. When we have already the connected aircraft during the flight or on ground, it provides already a lot of efficient manner for data management. There's a lot of possibilities. Skywise Score, I mentioned it. Fleet performance and predictive maintenance will further improve the aircraft availability. So those are clear opportunities. In Airbus, we also engage now in working on the ground operational side with new features, cargo loading, turnaround monitoring to better predict and mitigate delays, and also video monitoring and processing during the operation of loading and also in the cargo bay. So those are features we are clearly working on it. We also obviously see opportunities for connecting ground operation together with flight ops or with tech ops, on weight and balance processing, optimization on fuel prediction, also using the predictive maintenance alert into the turnaround monitoring can bring additional value. So there are a lot of opportunities here. And this is clearly a way we want to continue on this digital journey for such opportunities, also thinking more and more about customer value streams and about customer experience rather than our traditional organizations. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your attention.